So here we are discussing about when the price are constant, remain constant. Then when the price remain constant, the firm can sell any quantity of the output, whatever they want to be sale, any quantity of the output, and the price will be fixed then the market by the market. As a result, what happen? MR curve and AR curve is the horizontal, and straight line parallel to xy axis. Here we will show in the next chapter, in the next figure. So what happened? And the TR totally increased at the constant rate, means you can see the gap of this, that is called the constant rate. It will be increase, horizontal straight line will be happen, curve is there. So that is the thing. Due to this reason, the TR curve is positively sloped straight line, and TR is STR is zero at the zero level of output, and the TR curve start from the origin. Here in the cost we can see that if the fixed total cost is there, or either the fixed cost is there, that zero will be start, or the production of the output will be start from here. The cost price is here, but in the revenue what happened? It will be started from the horizon, from the starting, that is called the horizon. So that is the thing. Now the per unit revenue obtained by a seller by selling the product at market price in the market in the certain time period known as AR. For that time period of that seller or producer, it calculated by dividing the total revenue by the corresponding quantity sold in the market at the market price. There are three formulas I have given here for to find out the AR. First is TRV, total revenue divided by the quantity, then the P into Q and divided by quantity, means the same is here, and then AR equals to PR, whatever the price is there. That is called the AR. For first price, for example, one chocolate price is 5 rupees, so its average revenue is also price 5 rupees. So we will see how it is in the next. Therefore, another name of AR is in the average market, the price of the product. Since the price in the constant is a perfect competition market, hence the AR is also constant. Here we can see it can explain with the help of the following table. Average revenue under perfect competition. Units 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the price? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 is there. Total revenue, by multiplication of the quantity and the price we can get the total revenue. Here 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 2 equals to 20. 10 into 3 equals to 30. 10 into 4 equals to 40. 10 into 5 equals to 50. Now what we have to do? We will just divide the quantity, sorry, total revenue with the quantity. So what we got? 10, 10, 10. Means the price and the average is the same thing every time in the market. So that is the thing. The price line and the revenue is, sorry, average line is the same. In the above table, it increasing of the sales output, as I already shown you all that thing. Now we can discuss about this. What is this? This is AR curve is a horizontal straight line at the different level of output sold at the given price, and this show the AR is constant and equals to the price in the output level. So that is here we will show with the help of this figure, means this table. This table we can show like this: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and here the price is given. So every time AR equals to 10, so this is the straight line opposite to the x-axis. It will show that the price in the average revenue always remain same, whatever is there. Now we will discuss about the marginal revenue. What is mean by marginal revenue? Marginal revenue is the change in the total revenue in response to change in the quantity sold. It is calculated by dividing the change in the total revenue by the change in the quantity of the sold, to change in sold. In case of perfectly competitive market, marginal revenue remain constant and equal to the market price for all the level of output. Means MR equals to price means here also MR is same as to the price and same as to the AR of course also. It can be explained with the help of following table and the graph. Table output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, price 10, 10, 10, total quantity, total revenue 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If we want to find out the average revenue, what we have done, total revenue divided by output or quantity, so we get the 10 to 10, 10, 10 every time. Marginal revenue, if we divide minus 50 minus 10, 20 minus 10, then we get 5, 10. 10 directly we will get 10 here, directly we get the 10. If we minus 10 minus 20, 10, we get the 10. 30 minus 20, we get the 10. So here what happened? Again, so we can say it like that. AR equals to MR equals to price. In the above table increases in the output sold at the market price. TR increases at the constant rate but MR remains constant. That is the 10 which is equals to price. From the above table we will concluded that price AR means average revenue and marginal revenue are same as 10 rupees. Here it can show with the help of a figure. Already we have seen that AR is also the straight commerce line at the price level also when the price remain constant, that is also in the same line. So all these things are showing the relationship to each other, that whenever we are working on that it will be remain same. So revenue, so we can say that the relationship between the TR, AR or price, whether depends on the price remains same and fall in the rise in the output. According to that, this will depend on all that thing. When the more of output can be sold, only the lowering the price, then the revenue from the every additional unit, that is MR, will fall. MR is addition to the TR, and when more units of the output is sold, so the TR will be increasing. When the MR is positive, TR will fall when the MR is negative. So here the TR will be maximum when the MR is 0. So this will happen. So there are some important points of this chapter. 0 or negative MR. MR can be 0 and even negative when the price falls with the rise in the output. And what about the TR? TR can be calculated by adding by the revenue realized from the sales of every additional unit. So this is the thing. Now I will send the practical questions of this chapter. Please complete the notes. Thank you. If any doubt, please clear it.